Welcome to Humanity Junction, where the city intersects with humans. This channel is all about model railroading in small spaces, N-scale, Z-scale, HO-scale, modular layouts, tutorials, reviews, and running trains. Please click the thumbs up if you enjoy the content on this channel. This channel is supported by sponsors and through direct support. There will be more information later in the video.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity.
I am what I am because of who we all are. CMR Products has designed and developed several in-house brands and are continually creating new items. Please check out their products at cmrproducts.com and use the discount code HUMAN for 15% off their in-house brands. Yes, the discount code has been increased to 15%, so it's a good opportunity to check out their products again. Iron Planet Hobbies is a model railroad shop that specializes in DCC. Before buying anything DCC, please check out the really great pricing at Iron Planet Hobbies. Please visit their website at ironplanethobbies.com and use the discount code HUMAN at checkout to receive a 10% discount and free shipping in the USA. And now a huge thank you to all of my supporters on Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, and those that have purchased items from my Teespring store. Now that I have crossed 1,000 subscribers, you can also now support the channel directly through YouTube. If you would like to find out more information about supporting this channel, all of the links will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please leave any comments or questions below and hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe and select the bell icon to be notified about future videos and to join in this community. Thank you and have a great day.